how to check your deleted posts on Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up Facebook, and from here you want to go to your menu. Now you just want to click on the top right setting gear icon, and in settings and privacy you just want to scroll down until you find your activity, and now you want to click on activity log. From here you can either click on archive, where you have all your posts that you have archived, and you can go back to activity log, and you can either go to recycle bin, where you can see every post that you deleted over the course of your Facebook history. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.